welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then hit like and subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more tech unboxings. Today I'm going to be unboxing the blue Yeti Nano microphone. It's a USB mic and it's been rated pretty high, so I'm excited to try it out. One of the things I plan to use this microphone for is ASMR, so I might also do an ASMR trial today after we unbox it. So as you can see, I got vivid blue, which is why I'm wearing some fun blue eyeshadow today. I like the packaging. It's very simple, not very much to say about it actually. It gives some information about the product. So it's got two modes of recording. There's cardioid, which records what's directly in front of it, and omnidirectional, which, just like it sounds, records from all around the mic. It looks like cardioid's more for like podcasts, streaming, Skype, vocals and voiceover, and omnidirectional is more for conference calls, field recordings, events and orchestras, and multiple vocalists. So it sounds like I'll probably be using the cardioid more. While I'm opening this, I bought this off of Amazon for $99.99, which was a decent deal. I think that's just normally what it goes for. You could probably get it cheaper if it was on sale. Okay, so we've got some instructions here. It tells you to talk from the side of the microphone and not the top of the microphone. You can see here. So that's something to keep in mind. These are just some basic instructions. It is a USB mic, so I'm going to be plugging it into my Mac to give it a try out. Just going to flip through here and see if there's anything important. So it does seem like it comes with Blue Sherpa recording software. I'm excited to check that out. And if you register your product, you can get a 20% discount off of their store. Blue also makes a regular Yeti microphone, which is a bit bigger than this one, but they both have the same audio capsules. Here's the USB cord. And it looks like this is an adapter for mounting. So if you have a mount that this doesn't fit, you might be able to use the adapter. Sweet. Right off the bat, it is just a beautiful microphone. This is vivid blue. So it'll go straight up like that. The stand feels nice and solid. It doesn't feel cheap. The mic itself seems like it's a little bit lighter. Just gonna set that there. You can't see the whole thing, but that's all I got. Hey guys, it's Jade. I just wanted to give you a quick test of the sound. It works amazing. So I'm whispering because the sensitivity is up, so it's really loud in my ears. Also because I'm gonna do an ASMR run through. The reason why I'm recording this on my Mac with the super terrible camera is because my battery died right in the middle of everything on my camera, so while that's charging, I wanted to do a run through. So here are some ASMR sounds. Let's see what else I can do here. I'm pretty new to ASMR, but I know you do a lot of this. So the purpose of plugging in the headphones is so that you can hear yourself talking, which makes sense, but hear the volume that the listeners would hear it at. If you're using this mic for ASMR, it is amazing for the price, really. I mean, that's great sound on that. You can't tell, my mascara is a little dry because I need a new one. So that is it for the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. I'm pretty pleased with my purchase. The only thing I'm not pleased with, which earlier I said the Blue Sherpa software was for recording, it's actually just a companion app. I don't believe that it comes with recording software, which is why I'm recording on my Mac temporarily, just in photo booth, until I figure out some software to use. Other than that, it's a great microphone. The sound picks up great. So, see you